This has been literally the busiest 2 weeks of my life. I'm overseas right now. And what happens while I'm overseas for the first time in my life? The PB-17 gets released. I tried shooting a video on that, couldn't get it done. It's too much going on here. And then on top of that, now we've got the PB-16 Ultras being $700 off on clearance. And they really are on clearance. Once they're gone, they're gone. They're not making them anymore. It's a great opportunity because the PB-16 Ultras so far, because I still haven't heard the PB-17s, so far they're the best bass I've ever heard. And they're just an incredible subs. I don't think I've even seen them this low in the outlet. So it's really a great opportunity. And I have a couple recommendations on this. I've been the first affiliate for SVS, and I'm always upfront about it. Some channels really aren't really that forthcoming about it, but I am. I'll tell you whenever I'm reviewing SVS products that I'm their first affiliate and things like that. And following my links in the video description below really makes a difference for me, and I really appreciate it. And just SVS, but Amazon, Monoprice, all these different affiliates. That's how you stay alive on YouTube. It's not through YouTube ad revenue. It doesn't cover really anything. So I really appreciate the support. But there's a couple of things that I really want to impress upon you if you're going to take advantage of the sale. First of all, go dual. I'm not kidding. It took me 4 months to figure out how amazing the PB-16 Ultras were because I preferred the original dual PB-2000s, okay? And the reason is I was missing out on that constructive interference. So getting two of them is, in my opinion, vital. If you're going that big, don't do it wrong. Do it right. Get two. Secondly, follow my bass hacks. I'll put a screenshot up of what someone said about my bass hacks. And he did the app hack, which I didn't even do when I had the PB-16. So, I mean, they're really incredible. So I would follow the bass hacks and get duals. Those are two of the biggest things. And keep in mind, you have the 1 year upgrade. So within that 1 year, if you pick up a couple of PB-16 Ultras, I'll have a chance to review the PB-17s, and I'll be straight with you. If it's worth the upgrade, I will tell you. If it's not, I will tell you. I've been honest about that with the PB-4000s versus the PB-3000s. I think the 3000s are just a better value proposition. You get the same amount of explosiveness, I mean, virtually the same, and it's a smaller profile, it's easier to handle. PB-16 Ultras are not easy to handle. They're monsters. So is the PB-4000, but the 3000, it's easier to handle. PB-17s are not going to be easy to handle. I'm certain of that. They're the same dimension as the 16s. So yeah, best bass I've heard so far to date, and they're on sale for $700 off each. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. And so I'm taking time out to make this video, and hopefully I can get it released in time for it to actually matter. It's just been really busy here. And if you guys can guess where I am, put it in the comments below. So if you're going to take advantage of the sale, I appreciate you following my links in the video description below. I really appreciate you watching, and please subscribe.